is Cameron Chai from azom.com, bringing another episode of Azo TV. And today we're speaking to Lothar Rottmann from Thermo Scientific, and he's going to tell us about their new ICAP-Q ICPMS system.
Thanks very much. So here we have the brand new ICPMS system from Thermo Scientific, the ICAP-Q, and designed from scratch, starting really with a white sheet of paper. And I show you some of the advantages and features. We especially looked at ease of use for the customer, and this is mainly in this area, the inlet area and the interface area. Just to demonstrate how easy it is to remove the torch and injector, just open the PLT cooler, which is standard on all instrument, remove spray chamber, remove the torch, unscrew the injector and remove the torch. So very easy for maintenance and cleaning. Another thing which is certainly important on a daily basis is access to the interface and to the cones. And in order to make it as easy as possible, we just designed a pop-out interface. Just open the door and the entire interface pops out. From this side you have very easy access to the cone, just using a tool, unscrew the holding ring and take out the cone. The same is true for the skimmer cone, which is positioned behind, but also from the other side access to the extraction lens, just in case it requires cleaning. So very easy access, very easy to use. When we talk about easy to use, we also have a completely new software suite, which is very easy to use, and even with 6 clicks you can start the instrument, run an auto tune and run an analysis. So that's pretty easy to use. A few other things that are new to this instrument, and let's focus a little bit for performance. The one thing we developed is a very neat thing. We designed a very new skimmer cone, where you see on the rear side of the cone, where usually you just see the conical shape, there are some engraves, and what they are for this part, which we call the insert. And we have different dimensions of this insert, and with this insert we can control the properties of the ICPMS. It means either more sensitivity or more matrix tolerance. So very easy to exchange on a daily basis. What is also new in terms of performance is the new collision cell, which is called the Q cell. There we use so-called flatter pole technology. It's no longer circular shaped rods, it's rectangular shaped rods. And they are prepared in a way that we have a very high ion acceptance and therefore very high sensitivity. But on the other hand, we have, by the shape of the rods, we have the possibility to remove precursor ions. Let's say in case for iron, where you have an argon-oxygen interference, the oxygen is removed in the first part of the cell and therefore cannot react further down the cell, and therefore your interference removal is superior compared to the previous designs. So this all leads us to a very high performance of the instrument, sensitivities by a factor of 3 to 4 higher than on the previous models. Maybe another thing on productivity. As you see, it's very easy to attach auto samplers or other devices. Here, for instance, we have a Dionex ion chromatograph, which very easily can be linked to the ICAP-Q. But also in case of an auto sampler, very short distances from the auto sampler, from the sample to the nebulizer. And together with the higher performance, we increase productivity. And just as one example, we were able to run the EPA 200.8 method for drinking water with uptake time, with analysis time and washout time in less than 60 seconds. And compare this to the previous instrument, the X series, it's roughly a factor of 2 more productive. Therefore, I think in the end, brand new ICPMS with ease of use, great performance, high productivity, easy to use, just a great product.
Right, Lothar, and who typically uses an instrument like this?
The major application area are environmental labs, but also for food safety, pharma, USP, is a big topic, but also semiconductor industry. So with the high performance of this instrument, we can certainly run a lot of semiconductor applications for this instrument.
Okay, and if anyone wants more information about the ICAP-Q, where can they find that?
Pretty easy, just go to our website, it's www.thermoscientific.com, and then browse just for ICAP-Q.
All right, Lothar, thanks very much for taking a few minutes to tell us about your new ICAP-Q ICPMS system.
Thanks very much.